Is your Subaru Starlink touchscreen frozen or unresponsive? A quick reboot can often fix the issue. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, press and hold the power button, located either on the touchscreen or center console, for 10 to 15 seconds. The system should shut down and restart, clearing any temporary memory glitches that may be causing the problem. This method works for most Starlink systems and is the first step to try. If the touchscreen is unresponsive, use physical buttons like volume or tuner knobs to navigate to the settings menu and select Restart or Reset if available. These simple steps resolve most common issues. If a quick reboot doesn't solve the problem, you might need to perform an advanced reboot. For touchscreen malfunctions, access the hidden diagnostic menu. Press and hold both the volume and tuner knobs simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Then select System Reset. This will restore the system to factory settings, but should preserve your user data. Remember to regularly check for over-the-air updates via the Starlink app or settings menu to ensure you have the latest software and bug fixes. Software updates can resolve issues that cause the need to constantly reboot the system. If problems persist, it may indicate a deeper hardware issue that requires professional servicing.